So we picked this because this is kind of a halfway point between who we're meeting here, and it's a little hole in the wall. That's their entrance way over there, past Tammy's head, and that's it. And there's no big signage. There's no nothing. What's it called? Angelo'S?
Angelo'S Pizzeria.
Angelo'S Pizzeria, and that's a hole in the wall. And we're in the city of Springfield?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, look, it's on the trash cans. Silly me. Anyway, so we have no idea. We've never been here. Nobody's referred this. We just randomly picked this place. So I guess it's kind of like we're playing restaurant roulette again. So it's a little tiny cheap place. It smells amazing in here. So kind of excited to try this out. And look, they got a nice little selection here. So we'll take a look.
That's for lunches. We don't want that. Oh no. They have lunch specials.
Is that lunch?
Yeah, it's lunch. Yeah, it's lunch.
So what about
you can show that if they want it.
Oh, well, here's your lunch specials. Pretty reasonable.
Mm-hmm.
And then appetizer, garlic knots.
Chicken wings. Garlic bread.
Salad. Reasonable. Good. Alright, let's see what we got here. Sandwiches. Reasonable. Nice price, not bad. Selection's good. Stromboli. You get stromboli. Sausage and peppers. Wow. Calzones. Pizza. What is grandma pizza? Meat lovers. Desserts. Oh, they have cannolis. Cheesecake. Wow, that's so Italian. Give me a pasta dishes. What is sauteed pasta? Nice. So how are the garlic knots?
They're really good.
Good garlic knots? There you go. Alright. And then we got the wings, and we chose the buffalo style, which is awesome. Everybody loves buffalo. They're pretty hot. They're fogging up my lens, so everybody be careful. And then we'll show you what the pizza looks like. Here we go. These are better than I thought.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, he was right. These are the best. Ruby.
Thank you.
No, we got the Supreme, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so the Supreme has everything. That's why it's called Supreme. It looks good. The crust looks absolutely perfect. Can you do me a favor, sweetheart, and lift that piece up a little bit so you can see the bottom underneath? Oh yeah, it's cooked perfect.
Pasta, babe.
Okay, what is this again?
Shrimp Parmesan pasta.
Wow, that's nice. So that's beautiful. Everything's beautiful, guys, on the table. They do a good job here. This is a great little secret hiding spot.
What is this?
When I release the video, they'll be busy. Hopefully. We hope they're blessed here because they do a good job. Okay, so look at this piece. Isn't that beautiful? I put basil and red pepper flakes on it, and it smells amazing. It really does. And let's see if we can hold it. Oh, there you go. It's almost the size of like a Sam's Club. They give that big slice. All right, here we go. You ready? Okay, everybody knows what that is, right? Yep, it's a cannoli. I've never been to Italy, but I could imagine they're amazing in Italy. So you're gonna give it a try?
Sure.
All right.
Here we go. Does it matter how I eat it?
No. However you can eat it, I don't know.
Oh, God.
You just start at one end. Be careful.
Oh, my gosh. Very good.
Very good. Yeah, the filling. I guess it's like kind of like a Boston cream filling. I'm thinking, yeah, that's what it is. Okay, guys, I'll tell you a little in the car what went on in here. pleasantly
You can take
surprised.
that.
I'll give you more details in a minute. Okay, so it's starting to get dark out. I'm excited for fall, by the way. It just kicked in. I'm pretty pumped. We're at the end of the year. It's like my favorite time coming up. Okay, let's talk about Angelo'S. That's the name of it, right? Angelo'S Pizza. Very impressed. So we pull up and Tammy's like, "Is that it? That little place? Can we even eat in there?" And I'm like, "Yeah, the pictures. Remember you said the pictures look good?" She's like, "Oh yeah, I remember." So we went in there, and then Teresa joined us, and she's like, "Yeah, I looked on Google Maps, and I looked at this, and I thought, I'm not sure about this place." We weren't sure about it. From the outside, it looks like if a hole in the wall had a hole, that's this place. But I guarantee you, I promise you, top notch. The wings were good. The pizza was good. This place is definitely how were the prices? They're reasonable.
They were reasonable.
You guys saw the menu. The prices were reasonable. Prices, service, taste, everything was spot on. So we're giving it an A, definite A, solid A. So I hope they do good. I hope they get more attention. I hope somebody shows them some love because they're doing a good job. Very surprised on their pizzas. So check it out. Everything on the menu that we ordered was good. So have fun. Let them know you saw it on the show. I love you guys, and we'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.